Okay, here's the last video covering our word problems and geometric figures. The last word problem talked a little bit about a geometric figure, and this one is only going to talk about a geometric figure. So again, you want to find the area of the shaded region. Well, the shaded region is this blue area. It's not like you can really find the area of just the blue without taking into consideration the little white box or the whole thing in general. So what you have to do is you're going to have to take the area of your larger square and subtract the area of your smaller one. And I know that doesn't look very good there, but I hope it gets the point across. The area of the larger square minus the area of the smaller square. And I need you to remember that the area of any rectangle, which does include squares, is length times width. Okay, so we're going to focus on the area of the larger square. So this would be your fully shaded, pretending that the little square is not even there. Okay, so the area of the larger square is length times width. The length is 2x plus 1, and the width is 2x plus 1. So you're going to replace length and width with 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. Okay. You can use long multiplication, distributive property, Punnett squares, whichever way you like best. I typically go distributive. If you need to see another way, just talk to me in class. So 2x times 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. X and x makes x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. 1 times 2x is positive 2x. And 1 times 1 is 1. Combine your like terms. No like terms here, so 4x squared. 2 plus 2 is 4. Carry down x. And 1 is just 1. So this is the area of the larger square, the shaded in one. Okay. Then you also have to find the area of the smaller square, the white square here. Area of the square is the same, length times width, but on this one, the length and width are x. So the length would be x, the width is x. X times x is x to the second. So the area of the smaller square is just x squared. Okay, so let's go back to this side that talks about how to find just the shaded part. The area of the big square minus the area of the little white square. So the area of the big square minus the area of the smaller square. Okay, so you'd set it up like this. 4x to the second plus 4x plus 1. That's the area of the big square minus the area of the smaller square, x squared. This is just your subtraction question. You distribute your negative just like you would any other polynomial. So this is 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Negative times positive makes negative. Rearrange them, so 4x squared. You have your other x squared, so I'm going to go ahead and put 1 so that you have your visual on that x squared is 1. So I've got those, plus 4x, plus 1. Alright, you only have one set of like terms here. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Carry down your x squared. No like terms here, so that'll stay 4x. And 1 just stays 1. Okay, I know these are a little awkward and uncomfortable to get the hang of, but once you work out a few, it'll get a little bit easier. So we'll talk about this, I'm sure, when we get to this topic in class.